Today I want to talk about a single issue that is literally behind tons of different symptoms, and I'm talking major symptoms that can completely wreck your day, mess up your productivity, and just really keep you feeling stuck and really constrain you from doing the different things in your life that are important to you. I'm also going to share a very simple practice you can do to help fix this issue. So the issue I'm talking about is dysbiosis, and dysbiosis is an overgrowth of bad bacteria in your gut. And when you have dysbiosis, it can cause fatigue. It can make you feel tired all the time. It can cause brain fog, anxiety, depression, migraines. It can really wreak havoc on your gut. It can make you feel bloated after eating. It can cause gas, like super bad gas that clears the room. It can cause bad breath. It can cause diarrhea, constipation. It can cause different skin issues. Most people that have autoimmune, or probably everyone that has an autoimmune disease, has some form of dysbiosis. And it's something I dealt with for many years. And before I knew any better, I was doing all sorts of things that were making my dysbiosis worse. And I would trigger all kinds of symptoms. And it would just really make me unproductive. I would, lots of times from eating crappy food for lunch, I'd be in food coma for 2 hours. It was very hard for me to think. I'd be in brain fog, couldn't really focus, couldn't concentrate very well. And this really wreaked havoc on my energy levels as well. There were other things I was doing too, but this was a big one, dysbiosis. Now I want to share a study that's really interesting. And in this study, they looked at two groups of people. So one group supplemented vitamin D, the other group did not supplement vitamin D. And they exposed both these groups of people to UVB light. Now UVB light is the frequency of light that your body uses to make vitamin D. Now both groups had an increase in vitamin D, but what's really interesting is the group that did not supplement vitamin D had an improvement and an increase in their bacterial diversity, making them less susceptible to dysbiosis and therefore making them less susceptible to these different symptoms that are day ruiners. They really make you feel constrained from doing the important things in your life because you just don't have the energy, you don't have the focus, you don't have the drive and motivation to do these things that are important to you and move you forward. So dysbiosis is really bad news. You want to avoid it. How do you avoid it? Well, you manage stress, you eat a healthy diet, but also go outside, get some sunshine. There's this thing called the skin-gut axis, and just by exposing your skin to these frequencies of light, it has a positive benefit to your gut. So go out, get some sunshine. It's going to help you. You're going to feel better. Your immune system's going to be a lot better, and you're going to significantly reduce your risk for getting all these different symptoms. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know below, and I will see you real soon.